I'm tired of trying to be cute. I don't have to fucking impress you people, so I'm here. I'm in it. You happy now? Hey! No one's paying attention to me anymore!
Go get the donuts.
Donuts, 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 donuts,
Just buy the donuts or you're fired!
I just realized I'm gay. Any of you guys want a blowjob?
I do.
Well, okay then. I better go put that penis in my mouth.
Don't you have an appointment tomorrow with your face doctor to fix your messed up looking face? I'm sorry, I'm just under a lot of stress right now from looking at your face.
I'm getting pussy no matter what, even if it's with dirty slut. True love is what I want the most.
I just jerked off in your French toast.
They're not in danger. They've just moved on. And we'll find them. But the past stays where it is.
Unacceptable!
Brian, there's no more graham crackers.
They're in the cabinet.
I don't see them.
They're right in front of you. Which cabinet are you looking at?
Can't you just come in here?
No, I'm busy.
Oh no! Oh no, Brian! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, Brian, we need paper towels! Oh, it's going under the fridge! Oh!
Just use a dish towel.
There aren't any, Brian! You need to come in here! Oh! We are gonna have ants!
You're lying! Lombaxes don't run.
You're going to love me!
You make me happier than I ever thought I could be. And if you let me, I will spend the rest of my life trying to make you feel the same way. Will you marry me?
Yes.
There's a big old dinosaur in the house. How the hell did he even get in here?
Go get the vacuum cleaner. Chase that dinosaur off.
Oh, it is a goddamn dinosaur. It's not gonna be scared away by a vacuum cleaner. Friggin' stupid.
We started with a simple almond, added pecans, peanuts, and a hint of sweetness. The result? An extraordinary nut snack.
Your Honor, my client would like to plead guilty!
Hello there, children!
Chef, what would a priest want to stick up my butt?
Goodbye.
Do it again, Griffin. Oh, come on. I just did it like 5 times. Do it! My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to try.
You know the old saying, when life gives you lemons, go murder a clown.
And he prays.
Oh my God, do I pray? I pray every single day.
I'm not goddamn racist! I'm not racist, alright? Goddammit! I'm a melting pot of friendship, for Christ's sake! I'm a nice guy!
I love your racism.
Shove it up your Mexican ass.
Run, you little shit! Oh no, I'm running! Ah!
Who do you call when you want some pepperoni?
Samurai, hit the gas.